Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So we've got another new tech for today. So this is the iTel A70. Awesome. Okay, so this is so awesome. So okay, and also this is new, right? This is a new release from iTel. So what I remember iTel is they also have some bar phones like the classic bar phones, which is the keypad phones. So today they are also making smartphones and also tablets. So okay, without further ado, let's get the unbox. So here it goes, guys. So this is the iTel. This is the iTel A70. Awesome, right? So it has a 6.6 inches big screen, dynamic bar, 128 gigabyte of internal memory, when it was also a 4.8 gigabyte of RAM, and also 128 gigabyte of okay, 128 gigabyte and 128 gigabyte of RAM. Okay, that's one. Okay, let's go gonna check this one right here. Also the specs with a battery capacity of 5000 milliamp hours, and also network is also 4G, 3G, and 2G. So it's not 5G. It is not a 5G phone. Processor of T603 octa core, and the dimension of the it's 163.94 inches and 75.7 inches and 8.6 millimeters. So and it's also front camera of 8 megapixels, rear camera of 13 megapixels, AI dual, charging of type C, and also the display of 6.6 inches display. So massive memory with extended RAM. Okay, and also super HDR camera, type C advanced octa-core processor, side fingerprint, and also it has a face unlock, and also upgraded to OS 13. So smart link plus reducing latency of by 20%. Okay, here it goes. Let's gonna open this up. Okay, let's gonna open this awesome A70. Here it goes, and then here is the item. Okay. Oh, okay. First, we're gonna have to open the accessories, and we have some free case over here, and awesome. Okay. Oh, so this is not an iPhone, right? Okay. And we got some charging brick, and we have got some also type C cable, and we have some SIM injector, right? We have some SIM injector right here. Okay, so it's gonna have to okay, and also let's gonna open this up. Okay, so let's gonna open this up. Okay, and then here it goes, and then I'm gonna have to put this on the other side, just because my table is not so big. Okay, and then here it goes. Okay, so here it goes, guys. So here it is, the iTel A70. Awesome, right? It's a nice uh, one right here. I chose the black color. It is also the SIM tray over here. Nice edges. Okay, I'm gonna compare it to my Tecno, right? So that is gonna be comparing it, since I have the Tecno in right here in my hand. So as you can see, they are just the same, right? So they are just the same. Okay, and then also right here is also the same. Okay, as you can see, this is the iTel A70 and this is the Tecno, alright, and then also it's the same. So what this same is not, they are not the same as the volume rocker and the vol the power button on and off in the idle. Okay, and then also the volume rocker of the i7 itel is right here, but the Tecno is separate volume rocker. So uh, the same camera, but okay, and then it goes the, what is this called, the back. Okay, still the same. Okay, they are okay the same, but okay, and then also they have some great AI camera also right there. So matrix camera of the itel a70, matrix camera, and also 150 megapixel camera of the Tecno Spark 10. Okay, so okay, I'm gonna have to, let's check some features of this one, right? So let's gonna check some features of this one. Okay, right there. So fingerprint scanning also. Okay, okay, there it goes. This is the first impression. This is the first impression of the itel a70. So right here is also gonna have some what right here, and also I think this is not a fast charging. It's because when I charge it, it doesn't have say that fast charging. Okay, so nice also has a widget right here. There's a nice widget. Okay, and also right there. So and then also the very very smooth, right? Very smooth. So there's also settings right here, and also we're gonna go to the my phone. So this is the itel a70, so I'm gonna have to screen record it so that you will see. Okay, so there it goes. As you can see right there in the screen, so that is the itel a70 based on Android version 13.0.0, and then also the model is itel a665L, Android version of 13. CPU of processor is the T603 octa-core, front camera of 8 megapixel 8M. Okay, 8M, it's that megapixel 8M. The rear camera of 13M dual camera. The RAM of this one is 4 GB and plus 4 GB again. Okay, and then also is also expandable of 8 GB. The internal memory of 128 GB, and the battery of this one is the 5000 milliamp hours. The screen resolution of this one is 720 by 1612. So I think it's just the same as the Tecno, right? Yes, okay. It's just the same as that. It's just the same as that Tecno. The screen display, the itel OS version. Okay, right, and also the legal information. One good thing about the feature of this one is also when I charge it, it's just like the iPhone. Okay, I'm gonna have to show you. Right? So I'm gonna have to show you. So this is just like the iPhone. Okay. Okay. Okay, gonna have to stop the screen recorder. So I have here a power bank beside of me. Okay, I have a power bank, right? So this is the Pokeball power bank. So I'm gonna have to put that right there, and then what's the feature of this one is when you charge it up. Okay, is when you charge it up, you can see that right there. Okay, you can see that upper right there. So this is just like the iPhone, right? This is just like the iPhone. This is just like the iPhone. So it it really it really surprises me, right? So in the Tecno, there's no such thing like that in the Tecno, right? So there's no such thing in the Tecno. So, okay, so let's go gonna uh, go, and then also what is the feature of this one also is this one is the home is the applications that is not the same as the right. So if you can see the it is so smooth, right? It's smooth. Okay, it's smooth, right? So smooth. But the difference of this one, the difference is categorized in is alphabetically. The application of the Tecno is alphabetically. So and right here is there is no alphabetic is alphabetically, but it is so categorized. So wonder if I can put this one, okay, into one folder. And okay, it is not also um, gonna create a folder for the what is this called, gonna create a folder for this uh right. So got some, okay, we got some, what is this one, I forgot. We have some applications, default applications. They have also the Wow FM, We Live, okay, and also we have some Hi browser. They have also a Google Google Apps, okay, the Find My Device, Google TV, Gallery, Gmail, and also the Google Chrome and the Google Drive. Okay, and then also we have some car care. Oh, I don't know what this is car care. So professional app, and then consider service 24 hours after service. Oh, okay, okay. Just gonna go check this out. Okay. All right. Okay. So I think there's no. So let's check some Philippines, right? PQRS. Okay. Okay, there it goes. Okay. Uh. Okay. So the Wi-Fi. I forgot to open it up. So yes, yeah, you have to create your ID, itel ID. Okay, you just have to create the itel ID. So just gonna skip that one also. There's also, you can see the recent apps over here, and also this just the same as the Tecno Spark 10. And the toolbar right here is, you can see the Wi-Fi, the mobile data, okay, brightness, the sound, Bluetooth, torch, airplane mode, sound, and then also rotate, auto rotate, right? Yes, and then hotspot, we got some hotspot. Okay, and the location service, and then also another, okay, this one right here. Okay, the screencast, you can screencast this just the same as a Tecno Spark and the other Android devices. And also they have a shortcut of the screenshot. So screenshot right here, and then here it goes. That is the screenshot of this one. Okay, it's just the same as the Tecno again. So it's just the same as the Tecno. And then also, wow, really nice, good, really nice gaming phone also. And this is a good gaming phone also right there. So um right, so this is a good one. This is a good product also for your for gaming. This is a good product for gaming. Okay, so okay, and then what else is the feature of this one? So I think that's it for now for the unboxing, first impression, and also the comparison between the Tecno Spark 10. Okay, so okay, that's it for this video. So next video of this one is gonna be, we're gonna be reviewing this. Okay, I'm gonna be reviewing this. Okay, So okay, that's it for this video everyone, and I hope you like it. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell always so that you will notify all of my upcoming future videos here in my channel. So okay, so next part is gonna be the review of this iTel A7. So okay, stay tuned for it everyone. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Okay.